Alright, so hello everyone. Welcome back to our lesson. Okay, welcome back also to my channel. So on this part, this is the lesson 3 for my database management system where we are going to use the MySQL as our database. So since on the last lesson that we already discussed the different types of relationship a database have. Okay, so meron tayong tatlong klase ng relationship. We have the loyal relationship or the loyal love, which is 1:1. The second one is yung unfaithful love, which is the um, 1:many. And the last one is the family love, which is the many na relationship. So, dito na tayo sa part na magkakaroon tayo ng activities using the different softwares that we are going to or that you are going to download para magamit natin. So, ano ba software ang kailangan natin? So, kailangan natin ng SAMP. I am going to update you. Excuse. I am going to upload the link kung paano mag-download ng SAMP. And, syempre, by default, meron naman ng command prompt ang inyong mga computer. So, the first thing is to open the SAMP. So, dito, sa ating search button, I'm going to open my SAMP. So, paano natin malalaman na naka-open na si SAMP? It's either may mag-update, may magpa-pop up na ganitong panel, or dito sa may baba, merong ganitong lalabas. Okay? So, next step is to open or to start the Apache and MySQL. So, we're going to start the Apache and the MySQL. So, once they are green light, means they are already running. Then, we are going now to open our command prompt. So, search mo lang, command prompt or CMD. Ito na siya. By default, mag-open yung kulay black na ganito. Sorry talaga, gasin lalamunan ko. Okay. And then, type the following in the command prompt. Yung CMD means command prompt yan. So, ito-type natin to. This will change our folder papunta sa ating SAMP MySQL bin. So, CD space C /SAMP /MySQL /bin. Then, click enter. So, nandito tayo before sa C user DepEd, napunta ko ngayon sa C SAMP MySQL bin. Ito by default kung anong pangalan yan ng inyong computer ha, hindi pwedeng parehas tayo. Pero, once na na-enter nyo na to, kailangan parehas na tayong nasa loob ng MySQL bin. Okay. Next step is to connect our MySQL. Paano tayo magko-connect? We're going to type the following. mysql.exe space -u space root space -- password. mysql.exe space -u, ibig sabihin ng u is username. And the username by default sa ating MySQL ay root and then -- password. So, by default kasi, walang password si root kapag nag-download kayo or nag-install kayo ng SAMP sa inyong computer. Then, pagka-enter, tatanungin kayo na mag-enter ng password since by default nga, paulit-ulit, walang password si root. Okay? Which is our username. Enter. So, once napunta na kayo kay MariaDB, matik na nakapasok na kayo kay MySQL. So, sa different version naman ni MySQL, ang lalabas dyan, hindi itong MariaDB, kung hindi, itong MySQL na to. Okay? So, wag kayo magtataka. Pero parehas pa rin yun na nakapasok kayo sa database nyo. Now, the first step that we are going to do here is to check the available database that we have. And paano nga natin malalaman kung ano yung mga available database that we have. So, we are going to use the show databases. So, type tayo, show databases. Remember ha, may S yung database says. Then, every statement in the MySQL always end with a semicolon. So, ayan. Then, enter. Lalabas ngayon yung mga available database natin, which are the DB Pitugo High School, DB Test 1, DB DBasely, ganyan, and many more. Okay? So, how are we going to create now our database? To create a database, we're going to use the create. Yan. Then, yung database name nyo, for example, ang prefix na ginagamit natin to create the database is DB. So, ibig sabihin, pag meron niyang DB, matik na isa siyang database. Underscore, the name of your database, for example, studinfo. Okay? In short, is studinfo, pero dapat yan is student information. That is our database. Then, semicolon, create database po pala. Create database, nakalimutan natin, studdbinfo. So, that is how you are going to create your database. So, once na meron ng lumabas na query okay, one row affected, matik na nandoon na yung database DB info nyo. To check ulit, kung nandoon na ulit, kung meron ka ng existing na database, you may use the show databases. Show databases, semicolon. So, makikita nyo na nandoon na si DB studinfo. So, for now, yan muna yung gagawin natin. And next meeting, another lesson ulit. That's all for today. Bye! Stay safe!